In this video of annotating construction documents, I'm going to show you how to add detailed lines, text and symbols. So in this example, what we want to do is we want to add a detailed line and text within this call-out area of this room. So we need to make sure that we're in the Annotate tag, and then we're going to click on Detail Line. And then what we want to do is we want to change our line type to MEP hidden. So we're going over to here, line styles, and change this from thin lines to MEP hidden. And then we're going to use this draw rectangle command, and we want to position this approximately here, and we want it roughly 4500 by 1800, and as you can see the dimensions moved as we moved our cursor. And next, in the Annotate command, what we want to do is click on the text, in the type selector over here we want to choose 3.5mm Arial, in the properties we want to click on edit type, and then we're going to click on duplicate, and then we're going to type in 4mm Arial red, and click on OK. And then we want to make sure that, like what we've got there, that we change our settings. So color, click on color, since we've said it's going to be in red. We want the font style Arial, which is correct. We want the text size 4, and then we want to tick italic and click OK. Next, we can place our text Now that went out of the area, which is why we've got that warning come up. So if we move that over, you can see it pop up. So to change this, we can just drag that along, and then we can reset our call out. And then what we're going to do to finish this off is we're going to add a symbol. So we're still checking that we're already in Annotate. We want to go up to Symbol, and then we're going to load in Family. Now what we want to do is we want to add in a north arrow. So normally when you load in a family, it comes up with just Australia. So what we need to do is we need to look at annotations, because that's what 2D symbols are. Sometimes you can find them saved within the items itself. So doors, for example, you might find a heading that says 3D symbols and 2D symbols. But in most cases, your 2D symbols should be under annotations. So we go to annotations, symbols, general, and we go down till we find north arrow and click on open. And now we can place that in our view. And if we go to our sheets, you can now see that we've got north arrow associated with this particular view. You could have multiple views on your sheet here, and each one could be slightly different in orientation, hence why we've got a north arrow associated with that particular view. If they're all the same, if all your views are all in the same orientation, usually you could put your north arrow either associated with your title block or just in the bottom corner around here, and that would mean that all the views in that particular sheet are at the same orientation. When they are next to each individual view, it's because usually those views are shown at different orientations.